How to add special instruction to a Starbucks order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add special instruction to your Starbucks order using the app or explain what's possible and what's not. So let's get started. So first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders tab at the bottom of the screen to start your order. And now here, you can choose the drink you want. So let's pick a classic like iced latte. And this is where your Starbucks lets you customize almost everything like cup size, milk type, espresso shots, syrups, toppings, ice level, and much more. But here is the important part. Starbucks app doesn't let you or allow you to type in custom fee text instructions like extra hot but not too hot or stirred not shaken. You can only choose from the built-in customization option. So here to work around this, you can use every available option to get your order as close as possible to what you want. You can adjust temperature, sweetness, toppings, and much more. So here, if you need to give specific instruction, your best bet is ordering in-store or through the drive-through where you can talk directly to a barista. And that's it. That's how special instruction work in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.